Hello, it's Artisan Crafter Amy, and I remembered to use the headset that I bought, hoping that we'll have better volume. And then also, if I do need to dart, 2 steps away for something, the volume shouldn't change. Or as I get nearer or farther from my phone, if I look across the room, my voice should still sound the same. So that's pretty exciting. I have a few things that I wanted to get filmed today. The first I wanted to do is I have my March G45 Club card kit. I don't know, maybe you haven't heard about this. Maybe you're new. I just found out about them. I mean, I've been buying the papers for a long time, but I just found out about their YouTube channel, their tutorials, and their kits that they sell, their monthly kits, or you can just buy it, one of from the store. They'll have the kit. I think the February one is still there. I've been doing tutorials using the stuff from the February monthly card club kit. And then I have another tutorial for that myself. It came with Slimline cards and Alice in Wonderland papers. Excuse me, March is the sunflower. And as I often like to do, it comes with all kinds of goodies here. So it came with the tags. It came with these, they're really nice, sturdy blank cards. They're not thin, flimsy ones. And then 3 different types of ribbon. 8x8 pad, if you get the card club kit. This is the 8x8 pad for March. You get tutorials, both. It's the way I learn. Is they have the video tutorial on their channel, and then this comes with the kit, or you can just print this out off their website if you bought the 8x8 pad or bought all the supplies that are in the kit on your own, or have them, or mix and match your own stuff with the club kit stuff. So here's the card instructions. And I always like to try, I like to see what they did, but I like to try my own thing. So I'll save a couple of the card blanks, just like I did with the February kit, to try a couple of my favorite ideas from here. But with the rest of this, I want to do my own thing. And I like the kit because it gives me a variety of products that I probably wouldn't have picked out. If I went in a shop, I just buy the paper. I don't get all the other fun stuff. And I think this has made my crafting a lot more fun, getting the kit. So here's the 2 cards that I made with the club kit. Boy, I've got a pretty busy background. The other thing I did want to talk about, and why it comes in this little bag, is how well their papers all work with each other. Most of the papers will work well. And I think that if you look at this kit and the Woodland Friends Patterns and Solids, that especially that dark brown, that dark green, the blue, I don't know if the pink would go as great or not, but I mean, most of their papers will mix and match. And this does go really nicely with the Alice in Wonderland, or the Alice's Tea Party papers that they have, the colors for that. This goes really beautifully with the Alice's Tea Party. It goes well with another new one that they have out, this cottage. Oh, I don't have it yet, so I can't tell you what it's called. But anyway, so here's what I did with my March club kit. And it's this paper pad, the Let It Be. And with this one, I love a decorated envelope. And then this is my favorite one. It's got the tiny little bee charm on it. And the bow, and then I used one of the little tags, to decorate the cover of this easel card. And this was actually a redo of another Club G45 tutorial from their website. The 2 cards that I'll show you, one is Volume 3 2020, and the other is Volume 8 2021. And to be honest, I can't remember which one is which off the top of my head. But if you go look at both of those, you will find. Now, I've freelanced. The tag wasn't a part of the original design. And then on this one, to use the tag, I made a little spot on the envelope, which I just think is so much fun. And I don't normally use these colors, so this was really challenging me as an artist to work with these colors that are not. I'm more of the pastels, so and shabby chics. This was really a fun challenge for me. And then this is the shutter card. Again, these were just modified existing tutorials on there. If you pull it out too far, you have a little trouble getting it back. So yeah, I just wanted to make sure you got a good peek is the thing. You can see a good peek at the Let It Be with the little bugs. And then I raised that up on chipboard, which is a little bit why it's catching. If I hadn't done that, because I thought about using it as a chipboard element on the cover and changed my mind. But if your center element is flat, there will be no catching on the edge of your shutter fold card. But I thought that was so fun, the way the sunflower is the whole. And if you measure a 3-inch piece for your center, a 2-inch punch perfectly centers your hole there. But anyways, that was it. I just wanted to show you a couple more ideas of, you know, what I did with my March G45 monthly card club kit. For March 2022. And then, yeah, I'll make some of their ideas. I do like their ideas. I just, you know, like to have some of my own fun too. And then it might make your kit more fun because it gives you a couple more ideas of things you can do with your kit. Anyways, this is Artisan Crafter Amy wishing you a great day. If you enjoyed my content, please like, subscribe, and share it with somebody else that you think might enjoy it. Thanks again so much for tuning in and watching today. I wish everybody to have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.